Are you struggle with stubborn belly fat and consistency bloating? This simple natural drink can help you flat your tummy by boosting digestion, cleaning, detoxing, and spilling your metabolism. And also, the best part is to make this ingredient is coming with natural ingredients. That's the best part. From vegetables to fruit. I'm using vegetables and fruit to make this detox drink. So stay tuned with me. While I'm going to start it, definitely we'll talk about the benefit of these ingredients. And you know, kiwi, I peel my ginger and my carrot back of the camera. It's only the kiwi that I did not peel. The rest of it is okay because the cucumber, I'm not going to peel that one. So while I'm going to start with the kiwi, what do we have to do or how I'm doing it? We'll start talking a little bit about the benefit of kiwi. Okay, so you have to stay tuned with me and see the benefit, each ingredient benefit, and how the importance of drinking it and the best time also to drink it. You need to know all this before you do it. Okay, before we continue, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss another natural healthy remedy. And if you are ready to flat your tummy, your belly fat, then you have to stay tuned with me and see the ending of this drink. So let's start with the benefit. Kiwi, eating it or drinking it is supporting digestive system, reducing bloating, and also boosting your metabolism. The most important part also, kiwi is having vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin E plus antioxidant. So kiwi is very nice. Guys, you guys can see this is the organic kiwi that I can tell you guys, because the one that with no organic one, when you see it look like, I don't know, brown or white, that I'm going to tell you guys the color is always different. So you see, I'm not throwing any peel of my things, my ingredients. When I peel it, the peels also is having benefits. So you see this, that's the apple, the red apple. That one is my daughter who was want to eat it, and I peel it for her. So I always keep all my peels to do something. Whether I can boil it to drink it as a tea, also I can boil it to use it as a racing tea for my daughter hair and my hair also. So you can use those peels to do another things. Okay, so now our next ingredient that I'm cutting is my cucumber. Why? So cucumber also is hydrating deeply and flushing excess water weighing. It also cleans the digestive system. Cucumber, it also have a key vitamin, which is vitamin C, vitamin K, and B5, and plus silica cucumber have. So using those things, you know, is very, very good and is very powerful, this drink. But mind you guys, everything, consistency is the key. Don't drink it one time and you are expecting it to work magic for you. Okay, please, when you drink it, you need to do what? You have to be continual drinking it. So now the next ingredient that I'm going to cut is my green apple. Okay, green apple is very powerful. Green apple is very, very powerful. It will keep you full longer and also control blood sugar, which is very, very powerful, because nowadays you can see our young ladies, someone who is not even up to 50 is having blood sugar, which is very, very, it's not good. It's not good. So drinking this thing, it will help you, you know, control your blood sugar. It also prevent craving, and the most important part also, green apple also is having vitamin C, vitamin B6, and vitamin K plus fiber. So this thing is very, very good, guys. Don't joke with it. So now my next ingredient that I'm cutting is my carrot. Definitely we have to talk something about the carrot. Carrot, we cannot do like this without saying things about carrot. Carrot benefit for drinking it. Carrot is supporting liver detox. It's also improving metabolism and controlling appetite. Carrot, it's also having vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, and beta carotene, which is very good. And you know, now I'm cutting my lamb. If you are going to use lemon, maybe you can just peel it before blend it, or you can squeeze the water and put inside. But if it is lamb, I will advise you never peel your lamb before using it. Always try to make sure that you cut it that way. So lamb also, it helps breaking down fat, the fat that you have your stomach, you are just thinking about it all the time. So if you are using lamb or lemon, it will break it down for you. Those fats is going to break it down for you, and also reduce bloating, remove the toxin. And also lamb also or lemon is having high vitamins, which is vitamin C and vitamin C plus citric acid. So lamb is very good. So the last ingredients that I cut was my ginger, right? So that one, let's talk about it, but I'm still continue blending it. So I'm using 2 glasses of water. Totally I think I'm going to use 3 glasses of water to blend this thing. And each glass, the glass that I'm holding, is not like a normal glass. This one is about 250 ml glass is that. So you have to see how many glass that you want to put inside. You can make it hard, you can make it soft, so it depends on how you want it to be. So now after blend it, you have to strain it. When you strain it, it's 2 ways to strain. You can use normal strainer to strain it. You can use your cheesecloth or your filter to filter it. First of all, how I did it, I just strain it with a normal strainer. So after that, I bring my filter to filter it again. If you want it to be smooth, then you can filter it this way, but I'm doing it this way because I don't know, it can happen that my daughter also wants to drink, so I don't want something to disturb her. So if she wants to drink, then she's good, she can also drink it. And it's not like it's having harm for children. It's even good for children to be drinking it, for children to be go drinking those gases things, when the children start drinking these healthy things. That one is very good, so you have to put that one in mind. Now, so my people, now let's go ahead and check the benefit of ginger. Why I'm drinking my drink. Ginger is raising body temperature to burn more fat. It's also improving digestion, reducing inflammation. Also, important part of the vitamins that ginger is having vitamin B3, B6, and vitamin C, magnesium, and zinc that ginger is having. This drink, the most important part, drink it in the morning, empty stomach, while you did not eat anything. That's the best time for you to drink this. You can even drink it before calm and pace. If you are a Muslim, you are praying, just drink it the time that you just about to make your ablution. Drink it and come and make ablution and pray. Maybe after that, when you are drinking the hot water or you are eating, then you can go ahead and eat your food. So this drinking it is very important, because this drink, it will help you reduce belly bloating, break down the fats naturally, clean the toxin from your liver, improving digestion, also controlling appetite and boosting metabolism, which is very good. Okay, my people, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you guys for us to check my weight again. The only mistake that I do before I started doing these things, I forgot I didn't take the beginning the weight that I was weighing, but later that my mind came to me and I say, why not? Every month I have to be checking and see whether it's working or not. So let's say last week when I checked, I was weighing like 93 kilo, but today I want to see 1 week now again something has changed or not, because the beginning I did not remember to take a video before, check my weight before starting these drinks. Okay, so we have to check it. Why? I mean, after I finish drinking, we'll go and check the weight. And also, don't forget, please subscribe, like for more beauty, healthy drinks and DIY hair care things. If you are looking for a natural to boost your immune system, to digest, to to melt your belly fat, this channel is for you. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair healthy, this channel is for you. So now let's see, I was weighing 93, now I'm having 91.8 1 week now, a big